So we are very much interested in fourth industrial revolution. We will start by brief history on industrial evolution starting from industry 1.0 to industry 4.0. In this video series, our main focus will be on key technologies that form the foundation of industry 4.0. Industry 4.0 is for sure to reshape the business and economic models during next 10 to 15 years. And in this video series, we will be discussing how Industry 4.0 can influence the business models like SMEs. By the way, we will be discussing the case studies on different countries' strategies in the race of digital transformation to fourth industrial revolution. What is Industry 4.0? As we all know that we have gone through three industrial revolutions with significant development in technology over a period of more than 2 centuries. Now the world is currently witnessing the fourth industrial revolution. So the term Industry 4.0 was first introduced at Hannover Messe Fair in 2011 in Germany. It was introduced as a proposal for the development of a new concept of German economic policy as a national strategic initiative to establish itself as the leading provider of advanced manufacturing solutions. In this, it has also been identified that it is following three-dimensional approach, which I will be discussing in the upcoming videos. So basically, the simple definition of Industry 4.0 is that the ongoing transformation of traditional manufacturing and industrial practices combined with latest smart technology. This primarily focuses on the use of large-scale machine-to-machine communication, Internet of Things, deployment to provide increased automation, improved communication, self-monitoring of the machines, as well as smart machines that can analyze and diagnose issues without the need of human intervention. Basically, the connectivity, automation, and optimization are driving towards fourth industrial revolution. Before industrial revolution started, main occupation of people used to be agriculture for food and manual production of things. Next comes the first industrial revolution started in Britain in about 1750s, and this is the most distinguished point in human history that transformed local and agricultural societies to more industrialized and urban ones. And the first industrial revolution was really because of mechanization of production by steam engines, and the first mechanical loom was invented in 1784. Coming to second industrial revolution, many may recall that Henry Ford, the great car manufacturer, but he is not the actual person who started the second industrial revolution. According to historians, the first assembly line for mass production was started in Cincinnati slaughterhouse in 1870. This era started mainly because of technological developments in electricity assembly line units for mass production. We can see that there is a rapid advance in steel, electric and automobile industries in this second industrial revolution. Then coming to the third industrial revolution, which we are living in and partially adapting to fourth industrial revolution, obviously. With the lot of technological advancements in first two industrial revolutions, adding to this, the third industrial revolution is about computerization, automation, IT, electronics, controller, where human intervention is in production is reduced compared to first two industrial revolutions. You will be amazed to know that Industry 4.0's key technologies will lead to greater efficiencies and completely change the traditional production. So the key technologies in the rise of fourth industrial revolution, you know that Industry 4.0 optimizes the computerization of Industry 3.0. There will be much machine-to-machine interaction, high usage of robots and automation in production, industrial Internet of Things will be used, use of cloud technology which can offer a platform with vast computational storage and networking capabilities, facilitating the interaction among various technologies. This big data analytics is to support the intelligent and real-time decision making, use of simulations, cyber security to ensure data security. Augmented reality could enhance the business operations by leveraging the mathematical modeling like artificial intelligence and virtual reality. Last but not the least, additive manufacturing, which comes under smart manufacturing. Like in this series, along with theoretical concepts, we will be discussing the case studies on different industries and different countries' strategies in progress towards the fourth industrial revolution. So I would strongly recommend one who is like interested or planning for a startup to follow completely this video series. So because like industry 4.0 will play a key role in boosting the manufacturing sector's share in the country's GDP. So you start self-learning, develop new concepts and ideas, and start implementing. Become self-reliant, strive towards make in India. So finally, I hope you will enjoy this video series. So please let me know like your opinion or thoughts like on my take in making this video series.